We're going a little bit commercial today with, don't need another plug, with this Karcher 5200 vacuum cleaner. I don't know where the rest of the ratings plate is. I'm sure we'll find it. Yes, this is another one of Mr. James's little projects that has gone a little bit awry, but we have some stuff. Let's have a look, see what stuff we've got and see why this is broken and can't currently be used. Let's have a look. Yes, hello my vacuum cleaner chums, how are you today? Sadly Sheila is no longer with us, she's with somebody else, she didn't die, get scrapped. So we can only say that we have the one Karcher, but yeah, nice little Karcher tub vac. I've seen various stars of these being used and they've always looked very nice indeed. Obviously not all of them have some of the housing screws taped onto the top, but that might actually help us out a little bit later. This Karcher comes with a bag of stuff. Yes, we have some bags. Look, paper bags sadly, but bags nonetheless. They can go in there. Genuine Karcher as well, which doesn't really make much difference with paper bags. We have ourselves a nice one. Very good indeed. We have some tools which are not from this, they're from an AEG, which will tell you that this thing has 35mm tools on the end of this very nice hose end, with very long hose, not very long, nicely long hose there. And then we have this floor head here, nice Karcher yellow branding on it underneath, yeah, nice metal base plates, some brushes, some wheels, and there's one wheel missing there, which is perhaps a little bit of a shame. Moving on to the machine itself, and yeah, underneath here, yes, there it is. We are missing one thing, which I shall come to shortly. Yes, we can see the ratings plate. There you go, K5200 Karcher, Alfred Karcher, etc. Done like that. Oh, that December 2000 as a ratings plate? Maybe. Oh no, the Cord Rewind's coming out. Which is this machine's main problem. Cord Rewind doesn't work. It did work on Mr. James, and then when I came to use it, it obviously didn't like me and broke itself. Now this shouldn't be too difficult to get into really, because all of these screws are already undone. I think I just need to get the right size screwdriver. And just like that we can get into the Karcher itself. I mean, we're not really here to look at it in too much detail yet, but yeah, the Cord Rewind sits here and it is broken, sadly. I had a piece of spring. Look, here's the end of the spring. Oh, there, yeah, the Cord Rewind is very, very broken indeed, which is a massive shame really, because yeah, the rest of the machine looks quite good. I mean, we'll pop that over there. And yeah, we have the bin with a very clean, I mean, spotlessly brand new almost filter. Here they are. We do have, again, genuine Karcher, no expense spared, that the wheels for the back of our floor head. We have a cable because we were going to be replacing the cable on this, but not anymore. And then all of that is sitting on top of a Miele bag, pattern Miele bag, but that's fine. Look, it's little tiny, I mean it is dinky, bless it, little wok style base. And yeah, it was all looking quite fun really, until the Cord Rewind broke, which did pose a little bit of a problem and paused this for some weeks actually. Until the other day when this arrived. Yes, Mr. James managed to find a second Karcher 5200, which was collection only actually. Managed to get the lady to post it, which was fantastic. And the key critical thing is the cable rewind works beautifully and has the round flex that this machine should have on it. That's why we had that spare cable. Mr. James wanted the flex changing because it had some, well, it was broken, I think. It was only down to there, so I'd imagine it's just been yanked over the years and broken, and then we came along, faffed around with it, yeah, to destroy it. But no, this one works absolutely fine, really. So marvellous. Yeah, all we get with this is, well, we get a hose, which does come out. This is the hose end, look, and it all goes in here, and this bit, when it twists around, locks it into place. All very commercially, yeah, like so. We don't want that, but yes, we have ourselves with this very nice hose end, but not, not quite as non-smashed as our original one, so that's good. But we'll keep this one by for now, and we have what we believe is a genuine Karcher crevice tool, because as good as the AG ones do look, and as identical as they are a slightly different colour. The Karcher one has a more darker grey to it. I'll put that on there so I don't get confused at all as to which one it is. Bar that, I mean, we're dealing with a much different beast now. This machine is used, although it has all of its screws in it. The filter is decidedly more filthy, although actually, now wondering if this one is a new non-genuine type filter and this one is an original one, because yeah, it is quite different. This one has its things sewn in, whereas this one's part of its frame. Not sure, comment down below. Then we have our base again, our wok style thing, although interestingly this base has parking brackets, whereas get off the cable, this one doesn't look. It just has that, that's where the clip goes, and I think the clip is still there. This parking bracket seems to just slot over the back, so I think we'll be pinching that. And oh wow, look at this, look at the difference. Wow, yeah. So I think you already know what's coming. We're going to make a good one out of the two somehow, but for now, and I'm not even going to bother fitting a bag really, because it's all going to be cleaned out and whatnot very shortly anyway. In fact, talking of bags, our new machine did come with, oh, where have I put them? Aha! A brand new box of bags, and again, not opened. I accidentally pulled on that, which is the bit you hang it up from. Not opened at all, so we'll keep that, Mr. James. I'd imagine we may break with tradition and fit a genuine paper bag, but yeah, lots and lots of bags for these machines, none of which we're going to use right now because we're only going to test and see how well this one works. We won't worry about the electrically dangerous mess that one now is. And with our, well, donor machine, I suppose, because the plastics on this one are a lot better. Does it run? Oh yes, it runs absolutely perfectly. Obviously no tool storage because old and commercial, so that's fine. Let's fit the wand to this one, and well, we'll have a go with the head. It's probably going to be okay, even though it's missing its wheel. Bless it, it will do. Let's see what the Karcher 5200 is like on a rug that it really wasn't designed for at all. Oh, it likes it. Oh, very nice. this is almost what the Hoover Galaxy should be like in my mind. A little tiny, very manoeuvrable vacuum. I think it's certainly what it was trying to do. It just obviously failed miserably because it was very heavy and very fragile. But yes, our donor machine works well, doesn't it, Felix? What I think we might do quickly is I clipped back together the original one, and it has more suction because obviously its filter is spotless rather than quite filthy. But yeah, the motor has a slight tinge on the old wind down, so I think what we're going to do is sort of rebuild this one's motor and cord rewind into this one, because yeah, I mean, the casings are like way different completely, and then I don't know, I'll either have a spare, I mean, yeah, the motor in it's perfectly fine, could be good for something, so I'll probably keep that for spares. I may have a use for the hose, which you will see at some point either already or after this video, we shall see. But yes, another nice case of two become one for these little commercial Karchers. So let me know in the comments if you used one of these before commercially, and if so, what did you think? I imagine they were very popular for a spell. Are they still popular now? I mean, they still sell vacuum cleaners. One would imagine so. So yeah, we'll see how popular these two are with you, my lovely viewers, and until the next time when one of these will hopefully be literally as good as new, I and these Karchers will see you soon. Bye bye.